Hello viewers, welcome back again. So right now string formatting. We will discuss string formatting and what is the concept behind actual programming language. So generally string formatting in Python, it refers to the process of creating new strings by embedding values or some variables within a predefined text. So it allows for dynamic and readable output. So Python extremely offers several methods for string formatting. So let's say an example, fstring. Fstring like formatted string literal, and second one is str format method. Third one is modulo operator. Fourth, we can say the actual permissions of all variables and modules. So in this slide, we will discuss the actual string formatting and similar to C's print. So this slide actually shows the string formatting in Python, particularly using the older percentile sign that is formatting styles, which is similar to C's printf. So we can say the Python shows the actual fragmentation of string formatting in terms of formatted strings, introduction with Python, fstrings, and some other string format methods. So here we can say the string formatting. String formatting is a way to insert values into string at specific positions, allowing dynamic creations of a string. So key concepts, when we talk about key concepts from the image, so it is similar to C's printf, that is Python's formatting is inspired by the way C does string formatting. Example in C printf, that is numbers percentile D with denoted by the 5 value, and is equivalent in Python numbers percentile D that is percentile F. So we will discuss again the general syntax in string formatting. A formatted string, that is value to insert, and the percentile operator. It is used to plug values into the string at specific format specifiers. So commonly formatting format specifiers, it shows the actual symbol description, that is percentile S string, or any object uses str. Apart from this, percentile D, it denoted with the integer in terms of decimal value, and percentile F, that is floating point numbers. So for an example, we are taking an example that is 1 percentile D, as you can see in the slide, 3 percentile 2, that it is replaced with the percentile D is replaced with 2, and output 1, 2, 3. And then example 2, percentile D to percentile S, percentile 1, comma 3. It means percentile D gets 1 and percentile S gets 3, auto converted to a string. Output will be 1, 2, and 3. And example 3. Example 3, it means percentile S2 percentile S, that is percentile 1, comma 3. It means both percentile S specifiers convert value to string. So output will be 1, 2, 3. So point to be noted, it means we can usually use percentile S for any type of object. Python will automatically convert it to a string. So it using multiple values, group them in a tuples, value 1, comma, value 2. And then modern alternative, that is F, while percentile F, that is formatting is still valid. Newer Python for general code, that is John 25. So we are taking about, we are saying an example like in terms of my name is names and curly braces, then I am age years old. that is known as f-string. So I hope you like this video and you just knowing about the string formatting. So if you have any doubt in terms of string formatting, please leave and drop a comment to the comment section box. So thanks for watching.